Yeah, Honda definitely nailed the remake of the 110 or 90, whichever you want to call it. There's the new tires we're going to put on. Should be the same size. And what are we going to do to this bike? There's all the stuff that we bought. This bike is got tons of parts on eBay, and the thing is you can't get them in the United States. They only come from Thailand. So this thing's probably 25 bucks, and then 25 bucks for shipping. That's the coolest front rack I saw. It's got the Honda CT125 logo, and so that guy is gonna go like so. All different brands on all this stuff. The colors look pretty good. This and this are going to be close together, so they look good, being matte black. This is the back rack, and the crash bars aren't going to be close to each other. And that gloss paint kind of matches the kickstand in factory black. This is made by Moto Skill. Again, all this stuff comes from Thailand. It's going to go to their center rack. And all this was probably around $400 with shipping. You got your center rack, your front rack, you got your crash bars right there, your rear rack, which is going to go on that, on the back, and then this is wicked cool, made by Moto, don't know how to say that, but all from Thailand. There's all the stuff we're going to do. The only thing not is from Amazon here. We're going to put 2 USBs on there. These are real cool. They have an on off switch, so it won't have that parasite draw and kill your battery. And Honda probably should just have this as a factory upgrade, but there's a dummy plate right there for your USB. Get your cell phone out. Now you can charge your phone or GoPro while you're riding. But the one thing that I don't like is all these different grays. There's 5 different colored grays on this bike. So your muffler, heat shield, then your transmission, your brake lever, your factory crash bars, and your engine, which I don't know why they just paint the whole thing black, but that's the way the old one looked. So you literally have 5 different colors of silver or gray right in front of you there. We're going to take these off, and we're going to take these off, and this off, and this back rack right here is going to go like that. So this color black here is what we're going to match this back rack, which is something I think they missed on the color. It was chrome on the old ones. It's too much red. So with that back rack being black, I'm going to paint that black, that black, that black, and that, and your factory skid plate. We're going to take that off. Let's get rid of the 5 different colors of gray or silver. So all those parts are going to come off. We're going to have those painted up in Montana. Then we're going to put that windscreen on, which I don't think the front rack and the windscreen are going to jive. So we're going to have to figure out a way to get these two to work together and fit.